Safe listing, historically termed whitelisting, is when your subscribers add your from email address to their contact list or their address book. By adding the email address that you're sending emails from, your subscribers are ensuring that they're going to get your emails in their inbox every time. Now, every inbox has a different way to safe list or add an email address to a contact list or address book. In Gmail, for example, while you're in an email, you'd hover over the from name and address, click More Info, and in the contact list to the right, you'll add that contact. Now, that's one way. There's another way to safe list as well within Gmail. Another way is to create a filter. So in your Gmail inbox, you'll copy the from address, and then to the right of the search bar, enter that from address where it says from. You can then create a filter from that and choose to never send it to spam. This will ensure that any email, even more than just adding it to the address book or the contact list, is going to get to the inbox. A great best practice is to ask your subscribers to safe list you either on your sign-up form or on the thank you page. That way they know exactly what they need to do when they receive your emails. Start building your list with Aweber today, and if you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.